Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today USTC update. I just opened the wrong one here. This is one that we need. So let's get back into this one right now, and you can see that we're already down at the 3.5 level, and the technical target that I told you about it is actually coming into play, and that was going to be this level here, 0.032194114. But I don't think that's going to be the end of the dump. There's a lot of things that has to happen. I think the lower you can get for USDC is actually to come all the way down to 0.618. So if you do come down to 0.618, that's where you will actually have the biggest support moving forward. And if you start to lose this level, then it's a very big whooping drop to the downside, even way more down. So I do want to tell you something, bring this to your notice again, that if Bitcoin tries to go all the way down and lose this level, $18,891 and close below that level, then you're looking for Bitcoin to go all the way down to $11,000, which means it's a 40% drop for Bitcoin. And if you do have 40% drop for Bitcoin, then ladies and gents, if this one is going to follow Bitcoin, so 40%, where is it? Yeah, you can see 40% pretty much takes you down here to this level, 19, I guess, actually 0.20, right? But you know, if Bitcoin goes 40%, altcoins are not going to go 40%. They're going to go even way more down, right? So it's safe to still say that 0.017 could be the place that, you know, you will actually come down. There are two places to look forward to. One is going to be the 0.5 and one is going to be the 0.618, right? So the trades are closed. No trading at the moment unless we don't have any particular confirmation of a pattern or a reversal to the upside again. And that's it for this quick update on USDC. The only way to be bullish at the moment is to break the 0.236 somehow and go up above this level, and you're looking good to maybe continue to the upside. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.